Hi everyone, it's Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be completing part 2 of the Vintage Bloom Scrapbook album. If you don't already know, this is going to be a 24-part series. We're going to be making 24 different scrapbook layouts, all to complete this album. This page here that we're doing today is very blue. I wasn't really sure at the beginning if I was going to keep it like a monochrome look. And so I was looking for some like pink embellishments and things, but the blue just kept standing out. And I did think it was just like really pretty to have a bunch of blue on the page. So that's what we ended up doing. It does have obviously a little bit more color in the flowers and stuff, but mainly this is blue and I really like how it turned out. This card here I think is just so pretty, but it was just a little bit too big, so I'm just trimming it down and it worked out really well. That little circle with the journaling spot on it is a piece of like ephemera, I guess you could call it, that I have had in my stash forever. Most of the embellishments that you'll see me use have been in my stash for at least 2 or 3 years, and if not, they're from the journaling cards coming straight out of the scrapbook album. And I've also had these albums scrapbook paper, but I've had these paper pads for like 2 years as well. This sticker here has like a vellum background and I thought it looked really pretty on this like pink and gold swoosh, and so I ended up fussy cutting it out, but I did not end up using it on this page, so I've saved it and we'll probably use it on one of the next couple of pages. This page gave me a hard time. Like, I really liked all of the embellishments that I kept pulling out. I just did not know how to lay it all out together, but you know, I finally pulled through and figured it out. It was just really hard to figure out and get started. I ended up switching out these two like flower borders just because I felt like this one had more color to it and I thought it just looked nicer. I mean, they're both really pretty similar, but this one I just liked a little bit better. This blue truck with the flower sticking out the back I think is just so stinking cute, and there is another one, like I could cut it out of the journaling card again because that came from the scrapbook paper, and then there's also like a truck facing front on and it's got a little license plate that says flower, like FLWR, so super cute. I was trying to use like this washi tape, it says life is an adventure, but it just did not look right. I did not like it, so we did not end up using that. This is my favorite trick I learned from somebody, probably Jennifer McGuire when I was watching her videos, but using an X-Acto knife to pull off those backs of the double-sided tape makes things so much easier instead of trying to wrestle with it with your fingers. I also saw while watching Maymay Made It's videos, that sounded weird, but while watching her videos I also saw her like rip the double-sided tape by using like a little stamping block to cut out the edge. So like if you needed a really hard straight edge on your tape, that's another really cool tip I saw. But I usually don't ever need straight edges. I needed it more when I was like making mini albums and stuff, but for things like this I just rip it, like I don't really care. And finally, I'm just trying to fill the spot that I was trying to use that washi tape with, and I ended up going with these gold like typewriter stickers, and I'm pretty sure I put Together Forever because there's a picture of me, my brother, and sister all out a little, or I guess all together, not on anything, but that's why I did that. And that completes the scrapbook layout, so I hope you guys enjoyed watching my process and it inspires you to get crafty today. If you are interested in seeing more content, you can follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!